This video is about how to make a resume using Microsoft Word. This video will show you how to open the Microsoft Word program, the easiest way to write your resume, and how to save your resume to use it later. The home screen on the computer with all the icons on it is called the desktop. The first thing you're going to do is use your mouse to move the arrow to the Start button on the bottom left corner of the screen. If you're using a laptop, your mouse looks like a big blank square on the bottom part of the laptop nearest you. If you're using a laptop, drag your finger across the mouse pad to move the arrow. Press the left mouse button to click on the Start button. A menu should pop up, and at the bottom of that menu, click on the box at the bottom and type in Word. That's the name of the program we're using today. The program should appear at the top of the menu. Click on it or press Enter on your keyboard. A new screen should appear and it'll look something like this. We want to make a new project, so let's use the mouse to move up to the top left-hand side and click where it says File. On the next screen, find where it says New along the left-hand side and click on it. Once you've clicked on New, we're going to find where it says Search for Templates or Search for Online Templates. This is how we can find a lot of new projects. Today we want to make a resume, so click on that Search for Templates box and type in Resume. Then press Enter or click on the little magnifying glass at the end of that box. Now there should be a lot of resumes for us to look at. Today I'm going to use the second resume on the list. You can use any one you like, just be sure to read the little description under it to make sure it's what you want. Today we want to make a resume, so it should say Resume. We're going to use the mouse to click on it. If a screen pops up asking if you want to use that template, click Yes or Create. Here is the resume template, and this is the easiest part. All you have to do is click on the words and type. Click where you want your words to go and type. Click and type. Click and type. Do the same thing to type in your information through the rest of the resume. Click and type. If you'd like to, you can pause this video here until you finish typing out your resume. Once you've finished writing your resume, now it's time to save it. You can also print it out, but if you want to access it from any computer or phone with internet access, here's how you do it. You're going to move your mouse up to the top left-hand corner where you see a little box next to an arrow. If you hover your mouse over it without clicking, it'll say Save. Click on that little Save button. A little screen should pop up. Click on the long box, the second one from the bottom, and type your resume name in it, something like resume or resume in the current year. Click on the Save button near it. Now we're going to go back to the desktop. Move your mouse up to the top right-hand side of your screen and click on the one short line to minimize the screen you're looking at. Minimize means make it smaller. Now we're back to the desktop. This is where we started. You're going to use that mouse again to click on the internet icon. You can use whichever internet browser you want. Today I'm using Google Chrome. If you're at the library, it will probably take you to the library catalog page. You're going to move your mouse up to the very top of the screen and click on the bar at the top. That's called the address bar, and it's where you type in the website or search you want to go to. Type in the name of the email website you use. That could be Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, or something else. Use your email address and password to log into your email account. You can pause this video here until you've logged into your email. The email account I'm using is Gmail. Yours might look different, but you're going to do just about the same thing. You're going to start a new message. That button might say Compose or New. Where it says To, you're going to type in your own email address. Yes, yours, because you're going to send it to yourself. You can put whatever you want as the subject. Now you're going to look for the little paper clip. It might be towards the bottom of the screen of that little box you're looking at. The paperclip lets you attach or add documents like your resume. Click on the paperclip. A new box should pop up. If you see your resume listed there, click on it and press Open or double click on it. If you don't see it, go up to the top right of that box where it says Search. Click on Search and type in whatever you named your resume. Once you find it, click on it and press Open, or you can double click on it. Now press Send, and your resume should arrive in your inbox. Now you can carry it with you on your phone or a different computer, anywhere you have internet access, and you can also send it to potential employers. That's not the only way to save your resume. You can also use a USB drive, also called a thumb drive or a flash drive. That's a device you put in your computer and you can store documents on it. You could also print out your resume and scan it or make copies later. That is how you make a resume using Microsoft Word.